Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning pot analysis and videos with me, which pair market analyst at Hantec markets on Friday 18th of January. Let's look at cable, which actually is the interesting chart mover of the day really. Down 40 pips, but that doesn't really tell you the story of what certainly happened yesterday, which was a significantly positive bull candle that actually hit 30 big figure. For the first time since mid-November is that point there at 30 big figure. And a breakout back above this pivot line, 29.20. Which had been a basis of resistance and now becomes supportive. Interesting that the market's sort of come back towards that and found a little bit of a low today. So that is a basis of, I think, a nice sort of breakout above 28 figure and above that 29.20 level means that this is sort of now a near-term buy zone for a little unwinding move. What we saw yesterday was the RSI above 60, decisively above 60. And that was, again, multi-month highs dating back to September. We've not seen that. We've got the MACD lines above neutral. We've got the stochastics positively configured. This is also suggesting that the technicals are really increasingly encouraging, actually, for sterling. You've got all this uncertainty surrounding Brexit, but ultimately the path towards a softer Brexit is probably now in process. And subsequently, that's why I think the market is pushing higher, because that's what they're factoring in. Now, that is helpful certainly on the near-term basis with the breakout above 29.20, but any sort of unwinding move is seemingly now a chance to buy. You can see the positive configuration on the hourly MACD lines and hourly RSI, but ultimately this little dip back this morning is probably just going to be a buying opportunity as it comes into a support line around that sort of 29.20 area, as I said, which is a breakout level. Nice basis of support in the last couple of days, sort of above 28 figure as well. So it's all looking fairly encouraging for sterling at the moment. Obviously, there is the prospect of some sort of scuppering of the sort of move towards a softer Brexit ultimately, because I mean, who knows exactly how the politics are going to play out, but seemingly that is what markets are telling us, and ultimately little corrections are going to be seen as a chance to buy. Above 30 big figure opens 30.70 initially and then 31.75. So wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again later.